Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is another update on the Forex account. So what has happened last two days or so. So I will show you here. The 26th I took 3 trades, as you can see, and these were taken on the 4-hour chart. So Euro GBP, and we had a sell. We ended up getting I think this was about 10, 11, about 12, 13 pips. So all I did was I saw my setup, I saw the candle close, and I entered and I took the trade. Now what I did was I just waited for the next candle to close in my favor, and just before it hit take profit, I think it was a couple of pips, I closed the account, I closed the trade, and I took that little bit of profit. I did the same on GBP USD. As you can see, it's only 11 pence. That pair, it just didn't do anything, you know, it was just here. Can you see right there? So it wasn't doing much, and we ended up getting, you know, a move above where I entered, and I just closed it because there was no movement whatsoever, and I decided I don't want to hold it. I closed it, and we can see that it actually went in the opposite direction. Definitely would have hit my stop loss, so it's a good job that I actually got out of the trade. I also traded the Euro Chef, and as you can see here, same thing. You know, nothing happened until this candle actually opened, and I just really didn't want to carry on holding it, so I closed it as soon as it went to, you know, zero. I got my chance and I closed it. Now something I did learn from trading, taking those trades, on the 4-hour it is quite good. You're going to get more opportunities that you're going to get on the daily, but the problem is that you're going to have to be sitting at your desk, or you're going to have to be somewhere close, or you're going to have to monitor your phone, and when the trade is actually close to your take profit level, you're going to have to make a quick decision at that time on what you're going to do. What I mean by that, I will show you here. Okay, so you can see this candle here, I entered right there, I saw my setup and I took it on the 4-hour, and this candle here was all 4-hour price action. As you can see, it came all the way up next to my stop loss, and then came all the way back down, and it came to 12, 10.11, about 11 pips here, and I should have actually taken my profits there, but because I was risking 16 pips, and I did take a look at the weekly chart and the daily, and it's all going in the right direction. I thought I'll hold it and I'll see whether I get the 16. Now obviously it's 2 o'clock now, and in about 15-20 minutes I'm gonna have to go do the school run, and at that time usually school run, we're talking about 2:30 to 3 UK time, these markets get really volatile for some reason. I don't know why. That is another time during the day I've noticed volatility. I'm not sure if it's volatility coming into the market or if it's just the market makers actually do this, but it does go wild, and a lot of the time your stop loss is going to get hit at that time, or it could go in your favor, and it does end up moving really quick. So I waited for this candle to open, and the candle came back down to about 8 pips, and I closed it today. Now it's only 70 pence, but I look at it as $70, 70 pounds, if you want to say 70 pounds. Why? Because I'm not looking at it as a 0.01 lot size. I'm looking at it from one lot perspective, if you want to, call it that. I honestly think if I was trading with a one lot, I would have definitely closed it when it got next to 10. Soon as it got over 50, I would have been ready to close that trade soon as I saw the rejection. But I think because it's a 0.01 lot size, psychologically you're thinking, well, it's only a dollar stop loss, a £1 stop loss, so it's not a biggie. And I think that's where the downfall comes into trading, because it doesn't actually matter about how much it is, whether it's a small amount or a large amount. You're gonna have to trade it the way you would have traded it if it was a 1 lot, 2 lot, 5 lot, 10 lot size. You cannot actually put it to one side because it's just a 0.01 lot size. So I think that was the challenge today for me. I saw it hover around 10 pips. I could have closed it and ended up getting an extra 30-40 pence, which in reality would have been an extra 40 to 50 pounds, which would have been absolutely fantastic. So that was today's trade, and those were my thoughts that were running through my head, and that is the conclusion that I've come to, that not all the time is it gonna hit your stop loss, and you're gonna have to make a decision to close the trade while you're in profit. Now this is a good strategy. I have found it to be really good. I only stayed in the market for 4 hours and I'm out, and yeah, that's absolutely fine by me. Now I only took one trade today. The other day I did actually give in to greed, I would say, for taking 3 trades that could have actually 2 of them could have actually gone the wrong way, and it would have been 3 times the loss instead of losing only once. So realistically, only one trade from now on. That's what I'm going to be taking, and I hope that I'm able to stick to that and we're able to grow this account to a really big amount of money. So currently the balance is at £352.64. Tomorrow is Friday. If everything does look good, then I am going to take a trade. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.